Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 10th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see another fairly calm session overall, but stocks closing mostly higher. The Dow Jones Industrial Average today gaining 73 points. The S&P 500 was higher, but barely, by just under a single point. The Nasdaq losing 3 points, but it was lower earlier in the session, and the Russell 2000 having another decent day, up almost 19 points. Now, the bond market took another hit today. Strong sell-off there. That resulted in a lift for yields. The 10-year is now at 1.742%. Crude oil was fairly flat, closing lower by just 21 cents, while gold giving back another 16 points, or a little over 1% today, on slight strength in the US dollar. Now, today was the big day for the Apple launch of their new product line. They introduced their new iPhone, their new iWatch, as well as their new iPad. But the one product that made the biggest splash was the announcement of their new Apple TV service, which is being launched at a price of just $4.99 a month. So, as you can see, the stock got a bit of a lift here, closing higher by a little over 1%. But the major impact of that announcement came with a big impact on Netflix, which dropped a little over 2%. Disney, giving back over 2%, and Roku, which dropped almost 10.5% here on that news. Obviously, that Apple TV, giving them a run for their money there. So that was the big splash there. Otherwise, like I said, a fairly calm day overall. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.